Hi everyone and welcome to this new video about Matomo Tag Manager. So in this session we are going to see a little bit more in detail what is Matomo Tag Manager. So just to let you know that this feature has been implemented in June 2018 and it's now core part of Matomo since version 3.7. Note as well that this feature is not an independent product, okay? So in order to install Matomo Tag Manager, you need to install Matomo Analytics. However, it doesn't mean that Matomo Tag Manager cannot support any third-party players, okay? That's the strength of Tag Manager in general. So with Matomo Tag Manager, you can manage any third-party players tags, such as well Matomo Analytics. Let's now see a little bit more in details how you can interact with Matomo Tag Manager. Okay, so here we are within Matomo Analytics, and as you can see, within the top bar menu, you have one link which is named Tag Manager, so you just need to click on it. And when you go on this given link, it's going to explain you what is a Tag Manager in general and what are the benefits of it. So with Matomo Tag Manager, as we just explained, you can manage any tags. It can be tracking analytics solution, it can be conversion tracking, it can be as well registering to newsletter, it can be as well any surveys. You can fire any kind of different solution which are based off tags. And as well, we are explaining up here why and when do you need a tag manager. So just to let you know that tag manager, it's going to make your life easier and it's going to set all your different tags in one single place, and it concerns Matomo Analytics tags as well as any third-party vendors. Okay, once you've done reading this page, what you need to do is to click here on Manage Container, because you need to have at least one container on your website in order to be able to use the solution. And then you need to click on a button over here which is named Create a New Container. Then you need to give an explicit name to your container. So in my case, I'm just gonna call it my container. So it's gonna be my container. Here below you can give a description to your container, like okay, all my tags in one place. And once you will have done that, you just need to click on Create Container. You will access to the Matomo Tag Manager UI that we will present in another set of video, but as you can see, it's like a platform within Matomo Analytics itself. And that's it for the introduction to Matomo Tag Manager. So in order for you to know a little bit more and to dig a little bit more within Matomo Tag Manager, you can do this small exercise, which is to explain, according to you, how Matomo Tag Manager differs from any other tag management system players out there. Thanks for watching.